Hi, welcome. This is J3. This is the fourth episode of AWS Let's Encrypt. Let's see how to install TTL SSL Let's Encrypt certificate on remote Ubuntu server 20.04. Okay, let's get it on. Let's see this page and guide us to this video. Okay, and the first thing that I want to show you is this page. Okay, let me show you. Sorry, this page. Okay, this is the page that tells us that our connection is not secure. Okay, www.j3.blog.br. We are on Firefox, and everything is running in a insecure connection. Okay, let's return to the web page. Okay, here we are insecure, and I demonstrate it for you right now. You can make a bunch of tests, and I will show you some tests that you can do, and I tested it previously. I go to this website. Here is the website that I see is by Chaldra Kamar, and we have 10 online tools to test SSL. Let me show you one by one. This is quality service. It's important. This quality service is used by LetsEncrypt. It's made by the LetsEncrypt institution. Okay, and you see that my website does have a enable to connect via SSL connection. You see here again www.j3.blog.br enable to connect. Again, www is enable to connect to the port 443. Again, is www resolved to this IP, but in the server is a patch 2.4 to 41 Ubuntu. Thus, no certificate were found. Okay, everything tells me that my website is insecure. Okay, let's see more, and there you have it. Now, what I want to do is return to my web page. Okay, let's return to my web page, and here you have it. And what I want to tell you is that the first thing you have to do is to connect to your PuTTY. Okay, just call your PuTTY and connect to your web browser, to your remote Ubuntu, and I will do it right now. Okay, and here I am in the Ubuntu connection. Okay, Ubuntu connection. Let me show you. Okay, here I am. Okay, Ubuntu connection. Yes. All right, let's clear the console app, and let's return to the page and see what we have to do now. Okay, returning to the page, and you see the first step to do is run this code right here. Let's run it, and let's install searchable Python library. Let's copy this and return to the Ubuntu right here. Okay, sorry. There you have it. Let me paste it right here, and let's run and hope for the best. Okay, let's click yes, and let's install the searchable package for Python for our server on the cloud Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, there you have it. I think everything is working fine. Let's return to the page, and now what you need to do is to run this piece of code, sudo certbot Ctrl+C, OK, certbot Apache. Let's return to the Ubuntu, to the Python, to the PuTTY console. Let's clear the console up and let's paste this code and run it right now. Select installer Apache, certbot, saving debug. What I see here. Okay, what you want to I do is to register my email. Okay, my email is jr.now@gmail.com. Okay, let's hit enter. And now let's agree to the term and hit enter. And now let's give us our email to the electronic frontier. And now type, please enter your domain. Okay, www.j3.blog.br. Okay, everything looks right. Let's hit enter and hope for the best. Enable Apache rewriting, waiting for module, cleaning up, and now select the appropriate number, 1 or 2. 2, redirect, make all requests redirect to secure HTTP access. Okay, I will choose the number 2 right now and hit enter. Now I think everything is fine. Okay, let's return to our page and see if we have to run something more. Okay, now I want to check whether SSL renewal is taking place successfully. Let's run the last piece of code. Okay, the last piece of code. Let's return to the Ubuntu, to the PuTTY. Let's clear the console up and let's right click the mouse and hit enter. And now let's waiting for verification, cleaning, important. Okay, I think everything is fine. Okay, certbot renewed. Okay, your account credential have been saved in your certbot configuration directory, etc. LetsEncrypt. You should make a secure backup for this folder now. This configuration directory will also contain certification and private key obtained by certbot, so making regular backups of this folder is ideal. All right, let's return to our page, and now you certainly will not believe, but this is all you have to do, and you can read all the page. Now let's make the second step now to confirm that everything is okay. Everything is okay. Using a browser, let access your IP domain hosted in the cloud. Okay, let's go to the Firefox. Okay, here you have the Firefox. Now let's see if everything is working fine. Let's reload this page right now and see. And there you have it. Verify by LetsEncrypt, encrypt. Everything looking fine. Again, let's see it. Okay. And there you have it. Okay, now this page right here, let's renew, and there you have it. Fine, everything looks fine. The certification connection is secure. Let's see, verified by LetsEncrypt, more information, and there you have your certification. Okay, and here is our information about our certification that we just installed in Ubuntu and j3.blog. The day of expire on 2021 April. We are on January, and then I think it's 6 months, 7 months. I think 6 months maybe, but you have you make the calculation here. Technical information, we are using TLS 1.3. Some more information, permission, camera, let's see, general information. Okay, I think that's very good. That's it. Thank you very much, and I hope this video is and this series is helpful for you. This is J3, and bye for now.